click on the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest update from this channel. Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can bypass FRP lock on Galaxy C7 Pro if you face YouTube update message. So first of all, click on Wi-Fi and give your password, but don't connect it yet, and then plug your USB cable and open Samsung FRP tool in computer. After the installation of drivers, we need to click on bypass FRP. So here drivers are installed. Now click on bypass FRP, click OK, click on OK and wait for the pop-up message. So here is the trick. When you see launching browser event, immediately connect Wi-Fi and it will let you go to browser. So wait for it. It will take a little bit time over here, so just you need to wait. It will automatically send you to browser, so wait for it. It will take a little bit time, just wait. And if you face YouTube update message again, you need to hard reset your mobile and repeat this process. Hopefully it will work for you, but don't connect it Wi-Fi and don't use data SIM card. So take out all SIM cards and then use this method. Our browser is open now, so just click next, remind me later. So here we need to find FRP Faisal from faisalmobile.com. So just I am writing here FRP Faisal and search it. You will find the first link. Click on it and go to my website. Just scroll down and you need to download TechnoCare settings. So here is the TechnoCare settings. Click on it and accept. Click here to download it. It will take a little bit time, depends on your internet speed. So just download it. Our downloading is started up. So just click on browser and history, download history. So you can see our file is completed now. Just click on it, click settings, give permission, go back and install it. It will take a little bit time, so wait for to finish the installation. Now done, and just go back. You can simply go back or you can write again FRP Faisal and you will get first link. Then go to my website. So click on the first link and now we need to click on open settings app here, and it will let you go to mobile settings. So just click on lock and security. So other security settings, device admin apps. Now here we need to turn off find my device. Just go back again and click on apps. Here we need to disable Google Play services. Click on it, disable it, and that's it. Now just go back again and accounts, add account and Google. Here we need to give our Gmail ID and password. You can give any Gmail ID and password over here. I am just giving my Gmail ID here. As you can see. And then click next. Now I am giving my password over here. And that's all. Now our account is added here, so we are almost done, but there are few steps left, so don't skip the video. Just go back and apps, and we need to enable the Google Play services which we disabled before. So just enable it and then go back. Click on lock screen and security. then other security settings, then device admin apps. Now activate Find My Device. So just go back and restart your mobile. We are almost done here, but there is one step left, so keep watching till the end. And if you like the video, do subscribe, like and share, and help us to grow. So, and if you successfully bypass FRP lock, so please comment with the date like 21 June 2021, so other people can also get help. You can use this method on other Samsung devices also, so this is very useful method. So if you get any problem during the process, you can comment down. Hopefully I will answer you. And we are almost done here, and our phone is going to start. As you can see, our phone is started up, so I need to set up it fast. So when I finish the setup, I come back to you. As you can see, our phone is started up successfully. There is no lock at all. So we check about and software information. Here is Android 8.0.0, and there is one step left. So keep watching. Go to apps and uninstall the TechnoCare settings. This is the important step. If you don't uninstall TechnoCare setting, maybe mobile will not work properly, so you need to uninstall it. And hopefully you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to grow us. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.